Now, picture yourself earning extra cash to buy those shoes that you've always wanted or dining in a fancy restaurant. To achieve this, I'll show you a proven method for making money. And it is achieved by reviewing applications, products, and gadgets. How easy is that? I will introduce to you two websites where you can test out products to earn money. Once you've completed it, you'll get recurring payments of $20 to $50 in amounts from time to time. A tiny amount of money may appear insignificant at first, but it gradually adds up to a sizable sum of cash. Now, some users have made as much as $250 in a single day, which is incredible. Because of this, your life will permanently change and you'll finally get the improvement you've been waiting for. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. TestingTime.com is the name of the first platform that I'd like to introduce to you. If you type this into your search bar, you will be taken to the company's homepage. Testing Time is an organization that recruits test users and other research participants to take an active part in usability tests, focus groups, interviews, and surveys. You will be rewarded for your time after completing the product testing. They have collaborated with well-known companies such as Audible, AXA, and even Google. To sign up as a tester, first click on this Become a Tester button right here, and then click the Sign Up Now button to confirm your registration. They will ask you to fill up a form with your basic information. This includes your name, birthday, and the country that you are in, and the languages that you speak. You should also include your email address and contact number so that the team could contact you if there is a new study. Now, you will also have the option to provide a photo of yourself for your profile. This is optional, however, it increases your chances of being a part of the study. After that, accept their terms and conditions by checking the box and proceeding to click the sign up button so that they can create a profile for you to show to potential customers. So how does this work? When a study becomes available, Testing Time will send you an email including a questionnaire that will determine whether or not you meet the client's requirements for participation. If you meet the requirements of the client and also agree to participate in the study, you can choose a day and time that is convenient for you to participate in. Testing Time handles all of the appointments with the participants, and they make sure that everyone arrives at the study site at the appropriate time and in the appropriate location. In this environment, you will be able to test apps, websites, actual products, gadgets, meals, and a range of other products. When new products and services are introduced, you will be among the first to learn about them, and you will have the opportunity to influence their development. In addition, you will be compensated in cash for your time and effort on the project. After you have successfully completed a study, you will be paid immediately within 5 to 10 days after the completion of the study. The payment can be transferred to your preferred bank or PayPal account. Just take note that you will be invited to test on an irregular basis. It will never be a full source of income, which makes it a little bit difficult to depend on. But good thing is, I still have one more platform to introduce to you after this. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. The next platform that I'd want to offer to you is called Test.io, and it's basically similar to the first site, where you test products and apps and earn money. Type this onto your search bar of your browser, and you will be taken immediately to the company's homepage. The fact that Test.io has a diverse network of testing experts and freelance crowd testers allows them to deliver crowdsourcing services to its customers. The utilization of their crowd testing platform and freelance tester community allows you to do real-world testing across all of your devices, allowing you to detect issues before they are released to the general public, while also continuously improving the client experience. They have various services such as test case authoring and execution, test automation, exploratory testing, and specialized testing. In Test.io, they have over 9,000 dedicated EPAM testing experts, 400,000 freelance crowd testers, in 187 plus countries and over 40 plus global locations. I can assure you that this website is available worldwide. They also cover a wide variety of testings, including website testings, mobile testings, and IoT testings. Now, I'd like you to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click on the link that says Become a Tester. Working as a freelance tester, as you can see, has several advantages, one of which is the opportunity to work from any location at any time. Because you woke up late in a vacation house, you may literally test apps at 1 o'clock in the afternoon when you want to. You have the freedom to work from wherever you want and whenever you want, as well as getting an exclusive peek at new applications from well-known organizations and innovative startups. You will have the opportunity to test the latest applications. In addition, the company's testing academy and community of testers will help you improve your abilities and learn new ones, which will all benefit you. To begin, you must first register and set up your devices. Right now, you can join by visiting this link, tester.test.io/sign_up, which will lead you to a sign-up page. Fill it out with your name and your email address, and make sure that you've read and agreed to their terms and conditions before you click on the sign up and create your Test.io account button to complete your registration. After that, they're going to ask you which device you're using. They simply need to know whether you have an Android phone or an iPhone or a computer so that they will know what application is suited for your device. Immediately upon completion of your registration, an invite to participate in your first test will be emailed to you. You will be testing out applications, and all you have to do is tell them what works and what does not work, as well as anything else that comes to mind. Because this is your first test, your abilities will be put into test. Essentially, you are providing a specific review of the application. To put it another way, double check that you have actually filled out and completed this test correctly and completely. Make it simple for people to understand by pointing out what is working and what is not working. Everyday testers may anticipate getting at least 5 test invitations, and resulting to a $50 reward for completing each. It must be thrilling to be able to earn $250 per day. Take note, however, that the amount of money you receive will be determined by the number of tests you qualify for, the types of problems you are able to detect, and whether or not your findings are deemed credible by the company's customers. The most profitable clients might bring it up to $50 every transaction. The payment for this is made once a month through the PayPal service. For this video, a quick reminder, all you have to do is log into testingtime.com or test.io, sign up on the website to become a tester, then go through the process of testing products and providing real and honest comments. You will get paid up to $250. Your options will depend on the results of the test you have completed, and this will definitely help you earn extra cash that you need. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions, and see you in the next video.